But already, sir, 14 days you have turned here.
Yes.
And you are gonna take your level 1 exam.
Yes.
And of course, already up to now we didn't teach you that how to make sentence. Hello, sir.
Hello, sir. Good morning.
Yeah, good morning to sir.
How are you? I'm fine, thanks. And you, sir?
Yeah, I'm also fine, thank you. Your full name, sir, Saiful Islam Siam.
Yes, sir. My full name is Saiful Islam Siam.
Okay. How's your preparation, sir?
Yeah, it's very good.
Alhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillah.
Obviously, sir, you have to express you have to show your confidence.
Yes,
First,
obviously.
and I hear from you correctly all the alphabets, okay?
Yes.
Try to finish within a break, but correct pronunciation.
Okay. Bismillah. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z.
W, X, Y,
Z.
J.
Yeah.
Okay. And sir, all the changes later?
Yes, done.
Okay.
A, J, K, O, P, Q, R, T, W, A, J, K, O, P, Q, R, T, W, A, J, K, O, P, Q, R, T, W.
Your pronunciation good, but are you feeling nervous, sir?
No.
No?
Just
Yeah.
Yes.
Thank you.
Okay.
Sir, name of 7 days?
Okay. Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday.
Then 12 months, sir?
12 months. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December.
September.
Yes, September.
There? Tri-syllable there, okay?
Yeah.
And every syllable or word, the first letter, P, T, C, K, Q sound, then
Yes.
obviously it would be the changes letter, okay?
Yes, yes.
Then, could I hear P, T, C, K, Q sound?
Yes.
Okay, open the book.
Yes, sir.
And P sound, first column. Okay?
Within a breath.
Yes.
Yes. Okay.
Try to finish within a break, then you're gonna get proper fluency from
Okay,
here.
yes.
Okay?
Bismillah. Pen, pot, pad, pipe, tray, pencil, power plant. Can I say again?
Yes. Why?
Okay. Pen, pot, pad, pipe, tray, pencil, power plant, pens, pot, pipe, paper, prank, pass, pad, pay, poke, paint, pair, place, paint, painter, panic, person, puppet, part.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Then T sound, second column. Okay?
Okay. Tooth, test, topic, total, task, train, trap, true, trip, type, tie, tennis, track, trade, trail, trade, triad, tolerate, tonight, today, tide, tie, terrorist, torture, tune.
Good. Thank you, sir. You can.
Yes.
Then C sound, second column. Okay?
Second column. Okay.
Yes.
Council, coffee, couple, host, cash, keep, key, kite, kid, kite, kill, kin, kind, king, kingdom, kitchen, kettle, queen, caution, quick, quickly, quiet, quietly, quantity, qualified, quality.
Thank you. Then combined practice.
Yes. Pen, ten, can, ten, pen, pot, top, cot, top, pot, pet, tap, cap, tap, pet, pipe, type, kite, type, pipe, pray, pray.
Okay, thank you so much, sir. But if you can memorize this structure, then it could be better for you. Because
sir.
when you would stay outside, then you're feeling, oh, I need my fluency of English, or
Yes.
I'm feeling something.
Yes.
Then if you can memorize that, then you can practice anywhere.
Yes.
Yes, sir?
Yes.
That's why try to memorize that. Okay, sir?
Yes, sir. I will.
Then I want to hear from you, sir. Tongue twister. Please
Okay.
open the page of tongue
Ji.
twister chapters.
Okay.
First 5 you would finish with an bit. Okay?
Okay. Top cup, top tom, ton, two, toast, hat, today, kalosia, kalikona, kick, power, persa, pretty parrot.
Thank you. And could I hear number 20?
Okay.
Randomly, I want to hear from you. Okay, sir?
Don't
From anywhere. Because we have
Okay.
total 30 tongue twisters here, and obviously I have to take randomly from you.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
20.
Mr. Tongue Twister tried to train his tongue to twist and turn to learn the letter T.
Good. 25.
Yes. Pronunciation Tongue Twister T is taught thus talented teacher technically T is the T sound when talk by using T.
And talk by using
T. Yeah.
And pronouncing.
Yeah,
Okay, sir?
pronouncing. Yeah.
Then, okay, thank you, sir. Then I want to ask some questions to you.
Yes,
The
sir.
first, why do you want to learn English, sir?
I am a content creator And when I create content, I need lots of audience.
Yeah. When you would be fluent in English, then obviously it's perfect for you.
Yes, sir.
Because you could go anywhere and you could make any blog.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
In English.
Yes, sir.
Command in sentence has been done.
Yes, sir.
Okay. The koi boiti ano translate in English.
Bring that book.
Bring that book. Ekonir সাথে ঝগড়া করো না.
Don't quarrel each other.
Thank you. How have you practiced, sir? Because already, sir, 14 days you have turned here.
Yes.
And you are gonna take your level 1 exam.
Yes.
And of course, already up to now we didn't teach you that how to make sentence. Our first focus from you that your pronunciation will be correct.
Yes, sir.
And alhamdulillah, sir, I'm satisfied.
Alhamdulillah.
And your level 1 is good. Thank you. Congratulations, sir.
Welcome.